noong April 3, naka-receive ng report ng hazing incident. 20 or so cadets ng PNPA first year cadets ay sumailalim ng extreme torture. Binuhusan po ang kanilang likod ng mixture ng liquid sosa at muriatic acid, resulting in third-degree burns. Sa ibang kadete ay umabot pa sa kanilang private parts ang asido. Ito po ay hindi katanggap-tanggap. Nakita po namin ng litrato, sunog ang kanilang mga likod, hanggang sa baba ay nasunog din. This was done without the consent of the police leadership, but there were lapses along the way in the handling of the case. As of April 7, after full investigation, 3 po ang arrested and charged na kadete ng PNPA. Ito po ay sila Miko Legarda Escalante, 20 years old, PNPA 3rd class cadet, resident of Purok, Maligaya, Davao Oriental. Harold Locob Hehe, 20 years old, PNPA 3rd class cadet, resident of Quezon City. Lance Elroy Guinteran Gay Ramon, 21 years old, single, PNPA 3rd class cadet, resident of Misamis Oriental. They will be charged with the violation of 11053, the Anti-Hazing Act of 2018.
Last Friday, I have approved the recommendation of the investigators, particularly the CIDG, and as recommended by the Director for Investigation and Detective Management for the conduct of full-blown investigation, that is for the conduct of pre-charge evaluation to the officers of the Philippine National Police Academy. There are about 9 officers doon, and I have approved it, and of course, may mga proseso tayong sinusunod.
Nasa senior officers yan ay responsibilidad nila ang well-being ng mga cadets. Number 2, they have full operational authority in all grounds of the PNPA, lalong-lalo na sa barracks. They can enter anytime para mag-inspect. Number 3, the crime occurred April 3, and the full information was given to the PNP chief April 7. So that alone, nagkaroon ng lapse. There was an email sent, but there was no other further details. Sinabi lang na may incident, pero walang further details. We are trying our best to institute discipline amongst our ranks and procedural guidance kung paano gagawin. So, pagkatapos po ng meeting na to, ay may command conference kami at yung mga procedural lapses ng dati, i-correct namin